Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to regain access to Steam Community if you've been banned. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a help option there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This is your gateway to getting assistance directly from Steam's official support team. Next, you'll be presented with several support categories. Click on Steam Community. This category specifically handles issues related to community bans, restrictions, and other community-related problems, which is exactly what you need for this situation. Now, you'll see various common issues listed, but since a community ban is a specific case, click on I need help with something not listed here. This option allows you to submit a custom support request for issues that don't fit into the standard categories. It ensures your concern gets properly categorized and directed to the right support team. After that, scroll down and click Contact Steam Support. This button will open up the ticket submission form where you can explain your situation in detail. Here's where you need to be careful and thoughtful. In the text field that appears, keep your message clear and factual. Explain the situation honestly without exaggerating or leaving out important details. Make sure to include your Steam account name so the support team can quickly locate your account in their system. Also mention when you first noticed the ban, as this timeline helps them investigate the issue more efficiently. Include any other relevant details that might help clarify what happened, but keep it concise. Steam support is much more likely to help when the request is straightforward and respectful. Being polite and to the point shows you're serious about resolving the issue and willing to cooperate with their process. If you have any supporting documents, screenshots, or files that could help your case, you can attach them by clicking Attach a File. This might include evidence that the ban was a mistake or any communication you've received from Steam about the ban. Once you've written your message and attached any necessary files, click Send. Your ticket will now be submitted to Steam Support for review. Now comes the waiting part. Steam Support will review your request and provide further guidance based on their findings. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days depending on their workload. It's important to be patient during this time. Avoid submitting multiple tickets about the same issue, as this can actually slow down the process and make it harder for support staff to help you effectively. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to regain access to Steam Community. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.